Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix Snapchat due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity. Your access to Snapchat has is temporarily disabled. So guys, if you want to create your new account or log in your or already make the account, then guys, if you have this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back, and guys, after going to back, you need to open your Snapchat app again. And guys, after opening again, you need to simply click on forget your password. And guys, after clicking on it, you need to select one from both. So guys, if you have make your account with phone number, then guys, simply you need to click on phone number. And guys, if you have make your account with email address, then you need to click on email address. So guys, I have make my account with email address, therefore I am clicking on it. And guys, after doing this, you need to wait for new page opening. And guys, after this you will find this type of interface. So guys, here you need to write your email address in which you have make your account. And guys, after writing your email address, simply you need to click on submit. And guys, after submitting, you need to open that email address. And guys, on that email address, Snapchat team will send you a link. And then guys, you need to click on that link, and that link will shift you on reset password tab. So guys, from there you need to reset your password and change your new password. And guys, after changing your new password, then guys, you need to open your Snapchat app again. And guys, after this, here you need to write your Gmail address. And guys, here you need to put your new password that you have reset now. So guys, after doing this, simply you need to log in your account. And guys, after doing this, your account will be recovered easily, and you will be able to log in your Snapchat account smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.